I'm never against, I'm sorry. So I say 1, Celia says 2, and the crowd says 3. Got it? Right? Alright, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, go! 60 seconds, Seymour, 60 seconds, you cut the music. 60 seconds. The bride needs to look good.
Alright. Let's see what is happening.
The nicest wedding dress you can decide right now.
Wow, like a couple here.
It is not a swimsuit. Not a swimsuit, a wedding dress. Top and bottom. No, bride, you cannot help.
Okay, big designer hat. One nice hat.
What is that?
60 seconds, Seymour. 60 seconds.
Alright. What's going on here? Alright. Lord, watch the mommy then.
Yes, bride, no touching. When our bottom, that you cannot go like
Lord, leave the man. Oh God, he's doing her bottom. No. Look, touch the veil. Alright.
No touching, bride. No touching. Husband must finish out.
Time I done, you know.
I like a couple here.
So what am I
No, you know what I'm going to do.
Oh God. Tell me when you're ready for count.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to count.
That height.
Let's
Yes, sir.
count down from 10.
Yes, no, but may I give them extra. I feel sorry.
10. Yeah, let's count down from 10. No.
10,
9, 8,
hurry up!
7,
Hurry up!
5,
What is the
4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from the bride. Step away from the.
Jesus.
All right.
Yes, that split in the middle. Right.
Step away from your bride. Step far away. Grooms to the back of the stage. All grooms to the back of the stage. You don't. If someone never did for trouble them.
No,
Don't trouble.
we don't want to come in and want her to.
He was trying to do something.
Oh, but I'm just wondering if I should take this off.
No, man, he go with the kisses.
Oh, it's a trail.
A trail.
Alright. So, like how you there from, right? You're going to just walk down with your trail.
Exactly. I'm going to need you to model this for us. No, you have to model. You have to go figure it out.
So this is how he wants his bride to look.
To look at the wedding.
Yeah, but I'm proud that your husband to pose. Proud. Model.
DJ, yes, turn it up. Model that wedding dress. Courtesy of couple number 1. This is the beautiful bride. Yes, only top, no bottom.
You can imagine when she walked on the aisle, nobody not look up her face, I don't know what I'm talking about.
That was couple number 1.
I'll give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a round of applause. Where is couple number 2? Don't take off your frock yet.
All right, up next, lovely lady, couple number 2.
Alright, so catch the hand. Catch the hand. Want you to
Turn me up, Seymour, turn me up.
Hey! Look at all sides of the walk and from design.
Yes. Look at that diamond bracelet.
Give us an attitude.
Yes.
Just a drop off.
Give it up. Okay, the proper drop off.
Up next is couple number 3. Oh yes.
Improper the bottom. Improper the front. What you say again, Mama?
Dolce and Gabbana. Nice.
Drop off.
No, it drop off our end.
Okay. No, but it doesn't make sense. No, not too bad.
Not too bad, not at all. And last but not least, couple number 4.
It's a fishtail dress. It's a fishtail.
No, this is in style now.
The A-line. Give it up, man. Give it up.
Alright. Couples, step right here. Couple here. Yes, couple number 1. So ladies, stand in front of your designers. Couple number 2.
My lovely audience. in the meantime, I want you to think about it while they line up, right? Because you have to make a very important decision. Now, if we don't lose, I know my fault for them. Okay? So, I'm gonna ask you, I'm gonna put my hand right on top of the couple's head, and you tell me by your applause and your shouting and all that, we will determine who wins. Got you? Okay. So is it this couple?
Couple number 1.
All right. Okay. Let's see. Is it?
Couple number 2.
All right. Okay. I'm listening. Is it?
Couple number 3.
We're gonna lose for true. All right. Okay.
Is it couple number 4?
Let us try again. Is it? No, not start over. Just start over. We're gonna find out if it's 3 or 4, right? So, I'll do couple number 4 of one football team, right? That's all.
Alright, so right here, so thank you. No, we need to hug you. Wonderful. Yes, you may leave it.
And you have won a prize as well, okay? You have won a free site inspection of any one of my hotels. You can just call me anytime, and we'll take on a free site, and I will give you the roll of toilet paper. That's
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for couple number 1 and
Give it
couple
up for
number 2.
them.
Loud, let's clear it.
Thank you so much for your participation.
No,
So,
I'm British. You look good. You look
wear
good.
the t-shirt. Keep it. Your husband.
Alright,
All
couple
right.
number 3 and 4, can you come up more? Yes. Alright, I don't pick size, Celia, but
All right.
and you are.
All right.
Alright.
All right.
What
So,
you say?
is it right? So we have experience
Mhm.
and inexperience.
No, wait, I'm gonna like the word.
No, because it's 27 years I'm married and we just declare them.
But
So,
we don't inexperienced.
no man. In
We are
terms of-
virgins. I prefer that word. No man, that sounds better to me.
So then, them over there.
No.
All right. Okay. So we have experience and virgin. All right. So, is it experience?
Or could it possibly be the purest of them all, Levergins?
All right.
No,
No, but it's all right. It's all right. No, we're done. No, the crowd say, don't, fair is fair, don't. No, you lose. You pick the losing side. Go on with your virgins. Okay. I am always on the winning side.
But nonetheless, can we show some appreciation for the wonderful couple, please? Thank you.
So, Miss Latoya.
Oh. You see all life funny? Something really named Paramount. They didn't want to go to my couple, but they're going to eat at my hotel. Happy. So I still win, and I'm happy to have you dine at the Jamaica Princess Hotel. So would you please take off this? What a nice picture. My cameraman, oh, you are right there. Come on over. We're taking picture only, can
Hear what you say? You guys are so young. Because we are your choice of hotels. We're currently